Now see, this is the paper plate which I have covered with yellow color glaze paper. If you have yellow color plate, it's okay. If you have colored it with watercolors, it is okay. अगर आपके पास पेपर है येलो रंग का हाफ कट, it's okay. Anything which is yellow in color. If you don't have plate, you can use yellow color paper also. Okay? Anything which is yellow in color, you can make a circle and then you can cut it into half so that it's just like this. Okay, then we need a glue, then we need one marker, or you can use a sketch pen, black sketch pen. We need some buntings. These are buntings, colorful buntings. Okay, and we need cuttings. We need cuttings of what this is. This is yellow color triangle. This is orange color triangle. I have already given them a triangle shape. We need orange color and yellow color. Okay. If you have any problem, you can ask your mummy or whoever is sitting with you to write me in the chat if you have any problem. Okay. So now shall we start? So we will start with I will stick this orange color triangle which I have cut from this side. Okay, one orange and then one yellow color. So how we will go it about? See, this is my glue. I will apply it like this, one side only, like this, and then from the back side I will stick it. So it will be like this. It will be like this. Okay, now my yellow color, this color, one yellow, one orange. Okay, see, this will be like this. Okay, then I will stick this here, this side. Okay, this way I will stick this. Okay, all of you looking at it like this. Then again, now orange color, one orange and one yellow. So now my orange color, I will apply some glue. Apply a little glue only, don't apply too much, it will be wetty kind of thing. And then I will stick it this way. I am sticking it on the back side so that in the front I can only see the triangle, and it is a neat one like this. Now again yellow. Now this is yellow. I am applying what? This is my glue. I am again applying the glue like this, a little glue, and then I will stick it next to my orange triangle like this. Like this. See? Everybody can do it with me. It's an easy circle. Paper sun is very easy for all of you. We are making it because this is what? A sunny, we are going through summer season. So sun is there shining on our head every day. But today is a nice weather, right? But today it's a nice weather. Again, orange color, we will apply like this, the orange color. Like this. One orange, one yellow. Again, which color comes? My yellow color. You all can be slow and slowly you can do. Don't be in a hurry. You can see right now. If it's difficult for you all, अभी आप सिर्फ देख लीजिए. Later on you can do it again. See, like this. And then one more triangle. I will take one more orange color. This is orange color. This is orange color again. This side I will apply my orange color.
बाद में लेना, नीचे से ले आओ वापस.
Okay.
मम पिटी करेगी. एक बार बैक दिखा दो इसका.
See, I have stick it like this. This is I have to apply the glue again. This side. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा glue लगा देंगे, नहीं stick हुआ है. Like this. See, it is coming like this. We will stick it like this from the back side. Okay. See, like this. And I think one more triangle can be put this side. Yes, this way. Right? I will put one more triangle. Like this. Like this. Okay, see? Triangle is being ready. Like this. Okay, now I have these buntings with me. See, these are of different colors. These are of different colors. You can, if you don't have buntings, you can use what? You can use color paper also, or you can also use ribbons. Whatever is available in your home, you can use those. Okay, I will apply these buntings and then I will cut them into of equal size. Initially, I just need to have these buntings cut down like this. Okay, see, this is which color? This is orange color. This is orange color, like this. Okay, and then I will use some other color also. I will use some other colors. See, this is green color. This is green, and this is which? Again, this is pink and white. Like this. Okay, I've cut them into pieces. See, and now I will start sticking them. I will show you how. See, this is the way. I've applied a glue here, and again from the back side I will stick them. इनको पीछे से I will stick them from back side only. जैसे हम लोगों ने पीछे triangle stick करते like this. Okay, like this. Okay. Again, I will take this one and I will apply the glue this side. Okay. And this is what I have. Stick it again. I will cut them later in the equal size. Okay. First you stick them all. See this. Now I will apply glue on this one. Okay. See. This is. See this side like this. Like this. See, you can as I've told you previously, you can use what? You can use color paper also, you can use ribbons, or you can use ribbons, color paper, anything which is available. Okay, and then I will apply this. See, this is. Now I will like this.
Wow!
Okay, see, I have applied these many and I need one more, so I will apply this orange color because orange color is my favorite. Which orange color is my favorite color? Okay, and this is the last bunting. See, I will apply the glue here, and my son is about to get ready. This way. Okay. Now these are of different size, so I will cut them into shape. I will cut them into equal size, so that it looks more of organized sun, right? Like this and like this. Yeah, I've cut them into pieces. Okay, see, now these are of equal size, and my son is about to get ready. See, I can show you once. हमने कुछ ऐसे stick किया. See, from the back side also I've done that like this. I've sticked it like this. Okay, and now I've put it here. And now this is my, you can use this marker or you can use black sketch pen, anything which is okay. Anything you can use, okay? Now I will make what? I will make the eyes of the sun like this, then like this. I will make eyes of my sun. Okay, this is the nose and the sun is smiling. And the sun is smiling. See? We have completed. We have completed. Now you can see this. This is a sun. Okay? This way.